Hello everyone, welcome to today's section on things you should know about rSheet. So today we'll be covering a certain aspect of our platform, which is how to give privileges to users. My name is Ifeanyi Divine and I'm the head of support at GSM Technology Solutions. If this is your first time watching, rSheet is a very powerful, robust school management platform that automates your results processes. It covers grading, CBTs, attendance tracking, and financial management all in one place. And if you want to sign up on this platform, please go to rsheet.com.ng/admin and sign up or send us a message. I'll be dropping our support line in the comment section. So on today's topic, I'll be walking us through how to activate, deactivate, and assign privileges as an admin to users. When a new teacher signs up on rSheet with your school ID, they won't have automatic access to the platform. You as the admin need to give them access, need to grant them the necessary privilege before they can start using rSheet. Now to do that, you need to come to your admin end, go to admin, click on users, right? So these are the list of teachers that have signed up to my account. So now I want to give one of them a privilege. So I just go to this person and here I click on, I can delete this teacher, I can activate this teacher, I can deactivate this teacher. Deactivating the teacher means maybe he or she is on suspension, he or she has committed something or is on leave, and I don't want them to have access at that moment to the platform. It's different from deleting. Deleting means the account will not exist on the platform again, while deactivation is just a matter of time. At the moment, they don't have access. Maybe they're on leave, they don't have access to my platform. So when I want to still give them access again, I just come back and activate. But once you delete, they will need to re-sign up to the platform. Now I can come here and change privileges. There are a lot of privilege you can give to users. You can make them an admin. Maybe you want 2 admins to be managing your platform. You can just make them a teacher. As a teacher, they don't have access to some part of rSheet you have as an admin. So they don't have access to like the result sheet setup, the account setup, and all that. They just have access to enter results and view results. Even in the view results, there are some aspects they don't have access to. Now you can make them an accountant or bursar. As a bursar, they just have access to the financial add-on. You can make them, maybe after the exams, they finish entering all their scores and you don't want them to delete again, or they are, so for view only privilege, it means they can't do anything on the platform. They can't enter scores again. Maybe after entering scores, you just want them to go through the scores. You don't want them to edit, or they are auditors. You just give them a view only privilege and then a view and edit privilege. So this all depends on what you want the teacher to do for you. And it's very easy. And we are very security conscious about your platform. It is very easy to use. I hope it makes your work easier. Please do send in your questions, your feedback, your comments, your suggestions. I'll be waiting to hear them. Yeah.